Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to another day of learning opportunity. I am your friend Jiza Anduyo, and I will be discussing another topic in Science 10, and this is all about ionizing radiation. But before that, let us look in the objectives of the day's lesson. By the end of this lesson, you're expected to identifying ionizing radiation, type of ionizing radiation, uses and importance of ionizing radiation. But before that, we proceed to our lesson. Let us go back to electromagnetic spectrum. As you can see, the electromagnetic spectrum is a kind of a spectrum that measures the lowest to highest wavelength and to lowest to highest frequency, which is essential for identifying ionizing radiation. As you can see, the EM spectrum is divided into 7 types and radio, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma rays. And the 4 are already identified as ionizing radiation, which is the visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. What exactly is ionizing radiation? Ionizing radiation is a form of high-energy radiation that acts by removing electrons from atoms and nucleus of materials that include air, water, and living tissue. 4 types of ionizing radiation. Number 1, visible light. 2, ultraviolet light. 3, X-rays. 4, gamma rays. Number 1, visible light. The visible light is the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that is visible to the human eye and has a wavelength ranging about 380 to 750 nanometer. Also refers to the visible region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Ultraviolet. Number 2, ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet is a form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelength from 10 nanometer to 400 nanometer, shorter than that of visible light but longer than X-ray. UV radiation present in sunlight and constitute about 10% of the total electromagnetic radiation output from the sun. Number 3, X-ray. An X-ray, or much less commonly known as X-radiation, is a penetrating form of high-energy electromagnetic radiation. Most X-rays have a wavelength ranging from 10 picometers or 10 nanometers, corresponding to frequencies is the range 30 petahertz to 30 exahertz, and energies in the range 445 eV or 142 keV. Number 4, gamma rays. Gamma rays are a type of electromagnetic radiation that results from a redistribution of electric charge within a nucleus machine that uses ionizing radiation. Radiography, fluoroscopy, computed tomography, CT scan. Importance of ionizing radiation. Used in medicine to diagnose illnesses and in high doses to treat diseases such as cancer. It can also kill harmful bacteria that can make us sick. In other words, ionizing radiation is important to the innovation and evolution in the medical field. Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen, born March 27, 1845, died February 10, 1923, nationality German. He was a German mechanical engineering and physicist who I accidentally discovered the basic properties of X-ray when he captured an X-ray image of his wife's hand. This led to further discoveries in the properties of ionizing radiation and the possibilities of using radiation of medicine. Thanks for watching.